The student ambassadors of Fujian Catholic University recently launched a series of experience courses, starting from the most basic makeup techniques, attracting many freshmen and sophomore students to participate, and even invited teacher L.H. Wu, who served as the backstage makeup artist of New York Fashion Week, to teach students makeup concepts. Pick up the brush, practice with the teacher. This is the makeup course of the student ambassador, invited teacher L.H. Wu, who used to be the makeup artist at New York Fashion Week, teach students the correct concept and technique of makeup.
我觉得以新手化妆最常遇到的状况，第一个就是保养不够。我看到其实蛮多大学生的皮肤都非常的干。然后另外一个状况是，大家都很容易下手下得很重。比如说像眉毛这个东西，是你只要一下手重的话，它就很容易失误。
In addition to serving as the concierge of ceremonies, student ambassadors will also host campus and museum guide services. Through the makeup courses, let students learn more about ambassadors.
基本上女生一定要化妆，然后男生就是底妆跟眉毛的部分，因为毕竟青山大使是学校一个门面之一，就是我们要接触学校的外宾，所以我们也是算是学校门面，所以我们要随时准备好我们的妆容，然后表现出最好看的一面来去面对大家。
Carefully blend with an eyeshadow brush. Hold your breath to draw the eyeliner, afraid that the angle will be twisted. Then you have to start all over again. This is the makeup routine for beginners. The teacher guides students one by one, correct the way of applying makeup.
我觉得就是老师边讲解，然后我们边画，然后就感觉好像以前做的好像都错，对，然后就是有纠正一些画法这样。
因为就我其实之前就有想尝试过，可是都不知道怎么下手，然后所以才参加这个课程。
Makeup not only can highlight your temperament, it is also one of the ways to brighten yourself. Help students who want to become ambassadors through the Makeup Maintenance Experience course to pursue their dreams. Reported by 林蔚彤、刘天宇、曹书涵、林心怡。